again. This is the third time, right, with this recording. We are recording again, fellas. We are still working on 1.2.4 circuit calculations, prob number 4, the last one. And we made an error that we couldn't identify on the spot. I paused the recording. I cried for a while. I went over and talked to John and Nassim and Nathan, and we looked at it, and they helped me find where the error was. And I think, guys, I think you told me that the error is that V equals IR. That part's right. Is that correct? And 12 is the voltage. And I is the missing current. And 2076 is the resistance. So with these numbers, I took 2076 and divided it by 12. You guys say that I should have taken 12 and divided it by 2076. Is that correct? Okay, so I knew it. Didn't I say when I wrote that down that I felt like there was something wrong?
Yeah.
I knew it. There was something wrong. So thank goodness that I have you guys to help me. You said it's 12 divided by 2076. Is that right? So now I get for the total current, am I still on the screen?
Yeah.
For the total current, I get 0.00578 amps. Okay, that's what I get for the total current. Now the question that we asked before and we failed, do these three numbers, the current at resistor 1 and the current at resistor 2 and the current at resistor 3, do they add up to 0.00578? Nassim says they do. So if that's true, then this is correct, and this is correct, and this is correct, and these are correct, and this is correct, and this was correct because it was given, and this is correct, and this is correct. How many things are there now that are correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many does it take for a complete circuit calculation? 12. That is correct. Very good. Thank you so much for saving me. Okay, good. So now I really am going to stop the video, and then John, we can talk more about breakfast.
Get to work.
Yes, get to work, everyone.